All right, everyone. So we have a public service announcement for anybody that's looking for a very, very solid budget phone. Actually, one of the best budget phone options you can pick up right now, especially since it is $150 off. So you can get the Google Pixel 9a for only $349 right now. I'll leave a link in the description and top comment down below. Amazon is having their Prime Day deals from October 7th to the 8th. So this is a time-sensitive video. So if you guys want to pick this up for the best price possible, definitely go ahead and snatch this up. Again, this has 8 gigabytes of RAM. We have the Google Tensor G4, the flagship processor that we saw in the Pixel 9. Crazy stuff right here. We also have a 5100 milliamp battery inside of here, the biggest battery seen in a Pixel device to date. We also have a beautiful POLED HDR 120 Hz refresh rate display with a peak nit brightness of 2700 nits. We also have Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on this. We have Android 15 that's already upgradable to Android 16. I just got the update, and we have 7 years of major operating system updates. Not to mention that at this price tag that you're seeing this at right now, this is essentially the best phone camera you're going to get at this price tag. So for $349, this is definitely going to be something to go ahead and pick up. We also have a very, very solid premium build on this phone with that aluminum chassis on here. And of course, they have a bunch of different colors you guys can choose from. But for $349, this phone's going to be a steal. We also now have 7.5 watt wireless charging on this, 23 watt wired charging on this as well. And we have all of the new Google artificial intelligence features inside of here. So if you're looking to upgrade your current budget phone to something a little bit more premium, they just knocked the price down on Amazon from $499 to now $349. So if you're looking to pick up this phone, now is the right time to do it.